sensor system is a technology that detects and measures physical properties or changes in the environment and converts them into electrical signals that can be processed and interpreted. Sensors play a crucial role in various applications, from automotive and industrial automation to consumer electronics and healthcare. Let's delve into the details of what a sensor system is, how it works, and the steps involved in its manufacturing process. What is a sensor system? A sensor system consists of multiple components, including the sensor itself, signal conditioning circuitry, and output interface. Sensors detect physical phenomena such as temperature, pressure, light, motion, sound, and more. The sensor system's primary function is to convert these physical changes into electrical signals that can be interpreted by electronic devices. What is a sensor system? A sensor system consists of multiple components, including the sensor itself, signal conditioning circuitry, and output interface. Sensors detect physical phenomena such as temperature, pressure, light, motion, sound, and more. The sensor system's primary function is to convert these physical changes into electrical signals that can be interpreted by electronic devices. How a sensor system works. Detection. The sensor's sensing element detects changes in the physical property it's designed for. For example, a temperature sensor's thermistor changes resistance based on temperature. Transduction. The change in the physical property is transduced into an electrical signal. This can involve mechanisms such as changes in resistance, capacitance, voltage, or current. Signal conditioning. The raw electrical signal from the sensor might need to be amplified, filtered, or modified to match the requirements of the electronic system it's connected to. Analog to digital conversion, ADC. In many cases, the conditioned analog signal needs to be converted into a digital format that can be processed by digital circuits. Processing and interpretation. The digital signal is processed by a microcontroller, microprocessor, or other digital logic. Algorithms can be applied to interpret the sensor data and make decisions. Output. The processed data can be displayed on a screen, used to control actuators, sent wirelessly to other devices, or used for various purposes based on the application. Manufacturing process of sensor systems. The manufacturing process of sensor systems can vary depending on the type of sensor, its complexity, and intended application. Here's a generalized overview of the steps involved. Design and development. Engineers design the sensor system based on the specific sensing principle and application requirements. This involves selecting appropriate components and developing the circuitry. Component fabrication. Sensor element. The sensing element, which might be a resistor, capacitor, or semiconductor material, is fabricated using specialized techniques. Signal conditioning circuitry. Circuit components like amplifiers, filters, and ACs are manufactured and integrated. Assembly. Components are assembled on a substrate, often a printed circuit board, PCB, using automated or semi-automated equipment. Calibration. Sensors may need calibration to ensure accurate measurements. Calibration involves adjusting the sensor system to produce correct readings for known inputs. Testing. Each sensor system is rigorously tested to ensure it meets performance specifications. Environmental tests might be conducted to check performance under different conditions, temperature, humidity, etc. Integration. Sensor systems might be integrated into larger devices or systems, such as automobiles, smartphones, or industrial equipment. Quality control. Strict quality control measures are applied throughout the manufacturing process to ensure consistency and reliability. Packaging. Sensor systems are packaged to protect them from environmental factors and to provide appropriate interfaces for connection. Final testing and inspection. Sensors undergo final testing and inspection before being shipped to customers. Function of a sensor system. A sensor system plays a pivotal role in detecting and measuring various physical properties or environmental changes and translating them into electrical signals that can be interpreted and utilized by electronic devices. This crucial functionality enables sensor systems to serve diverse applications across industries. Here's how a sensor system functions. Detection and sensing. The core function of a sensor system is to detect changes in specific physical properties. This could include temperature, pressure, light, sound, motion, humidity, and more. Transduction. When a change in the sense property occurs, the sensor's transducer element converts this change into an electrical signal. Transduction mechanisms vary based on sensor types, such as resistive, capacitive, inductive, or optical changes. Signal conditioning. Raw electrical signals generated by sensors may need refinement. Signal conditioning circuitry adjusts signal levels, amplifies weak signals, filters out noise, and it adapts signal characteristics to match the requirements of subsequent processing. For tuning into our channel. May your day be filled with positivity and joy, and may your journey be one of good health and well-being. Have a wonderful day and take care of yourself.
A special thank you, from the heart.